Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how St. John's wort works. This natural supplement is often used for mood support, but understanding its mechanisms is key to safe use. St. John's wort contains active compounds, primarily hyperforin, which influence brain chemistry. It helps by inhibiting the reuptake of several key neurotransmitters, including serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. This process effectively increases the availability of these mood-regulating chemicals in the brain's synaptic clefts, contributing to its antidepressant effects. St. John's wort is most frequently utilized to alleviate symptoms of mild to moderate depression. Research indicates that for these conditions, it can be as effective as certain conventional antidepressants, sometimes with fewer side effects. However, it is generally not recommended for severe depression, where its efficacy is less established. It's crucial to remember that this is a potent herb, so always discuss its use with a healthcare professional before beginning any new regimen. While generally well tolerated, St. John's wort can cause side effects such as digestive upset, dizziness, and trouble sleeping. A significant concern is increased photosensitivity, meaning your skin may react severely to sun exposure, particularly with higher doses. More importantly, St. John's wort has numerous serious drug interactions. It can reduce the effectiveness of many prescription medications, including birth control pills, blood thinners like warfarin, and certain HIV drugs. Combining it with other antidepressants can lead to a dangerous increase in serotonin levels. For adults, a common dosage of St. John's wort extract is 300 milligrams, taken 2 or 3 times daily, totaling up to 900 milligrams per day. It's important to choose a product standardized to contain 0.3% hypericin to ensure consistent active ingredient levels. Remember, this supplement is not FDA approved, so quality can vary. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting St. John's wort, particularly if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications due to potential risks and interactions. Also, for easy meal prep solutions, check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.